Lately, I have found myself returning more deeply to my heritage through food, not in a performative way, not through trends or aesthetics, but quietly, through preparation, through ingredients, through memory, through the feeling that certain meals live in the body. The older I become, the more I realize that food is really just food. It can be memory, culture, medicine, prayer, rhythm, connection, identity. Sometimes, while preparing a meal slowly and attentively, I find myself thinking about transformation itself. How raw ingredients become something entirely different through process. Heat changes things. Time changes things. Care changes things. A broth deepens, greens soften, spices open, flavors marry, textures evolve. Something once separate becomes integrated. And perhaps human beings are not so different. Raw ingredients do not become nourishment through force alone. They transform through heat, timing, attention, patience, and care. Perhaps we do too. The body changes through care. The mind changes through awareness. The nervous system changes through safety. The spirit changes through remembrance. And maybe healing is not always a dramatic event. Maybe sometimes it looks like returning to the kitchen, returning to stillness, returning to ancestral memory, returning to ourselves. I think many of us have been taught to pursue transformation aggressively. Push harder, fix faster, become more. But nature rarely transforms that way. The sea moves rhythmically. Food simmers slowly. Seeds take time. Even the body heals in layers. There is an alchemy to gentle attention. And lately, I have been realizing that the same care used to prepare nourishing food can also be extended towards our own inner lives, toward the body, toward the mind, toward the energy we carry, toward the spirit we often neglect while trying to survive. Because when something is tended to with enough presence, enough patience, enough grace, transformation eventually occurs. Not always loudly, but deeply. And perhaps that is part of what becoming truly is. Not turning into someone else, but slowly becoming whole enough to finally return to yourself. If this resonates with you, you can find more reflections and podcast conversations at silentmedicine.com/start-here.